Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look using the new Wet n Wild Care Bears collection. This limited edition collection is in celebration of Care Bears' 40th anniversary. Wet n Wild really went all out for this collection. It has 28 different products in multiple beauty categories, including skincare, makeup, tools, and more. You can find the makeup collection box that is really similar to this one on Amazon for $85, or shop the products separately at Ulta, Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart. Now that we've unboxed this massive collection, let's test out the products. First, I'm starting off with nails and applying the Happy Thoughts artificial nails. These come with glue and are super cute and glittery. In addition to press-on nails, the collection also includes skincare products like the Resting Bear Face Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this balm. It smells and feels amazing. Next, we have the Make It Sweet Lip Scrub, which smells like birthday cake. The component is super cute and very unique. Unfortunately, it doesn't scrub hard enough to get any dead skin off. After that is the Play, Sleep, and Repeat Lip Mask. This one smells like lavender and has the same packaging and disappointing results. It doesn't feel like it's doing anything at all. Now to prep the skin, we have the Brighten Your Day Primer Serum. You can really tell that this is formulated with vitamin C. It smells and feels super refreshing like orange juice. A full face of makeup can't be done without some trusty makeup tools, so Wet n Wild was sure to include several options with the Care Package 5-piece makeup sponge set. Also included is the Always Care a Lot color changing makeup sponge, which I'm going to be using today. It has a lovely castle imprint and doubles in size when dampened. It covers a lot of surface area, which makes blending quick and easy, but I didn't notice any color changing. Next, we have the Get Through the Night Setting Spray. It sprays a very fine lavender-scented mist to help lock makeup in place. To apply the next few products, I'm using the Sharing is Caring 2-piece dual-ended brush set. These have liquid-filled handles with sparkling confetti. First, I'm contouring with the Live, Laugh, Hug bronzer. A little goes a long way with this ultra-pigmented bronzer, so I'm only applying a little bit using the complexion brush. Next, I'm using the same brush to apply the Do What You Love blush. After that, we have the Let Your Light Shine highlighter, which I'm applying with the highlighting brush. I like the imprint on this one. It's a smiling sun. Moving on to eyes, we have the Caring Counts Eye and Face Palette, which is $17. First, let's do some swatches. Here are the matte shades. Next, we have the shimmer shades. And finally, the glitter shades. I'm putting the dual-ended eye brush to use here and first picking up the matte blue shade called Grumpy Bear with the blending brush. I'm applying this to the outer corner of the eye. This particular shade needs help building up its opacity, while others, like Wish Bear, are super pigmented right away. The shimmer shades are super sparkly, but have a hard time sticking unless applied with your finger. They also have quite a bit of fallout, especially Share Bear. In addition, I think that both the face and eye brushes could be a bit softer. Next, we have the Friendship Goals Eyelash Curler and Mascara set. It's great to see an eyelash curler included with the mascara. This one has a cute charm and the mascara is nice as well. I chose not to wear the gems for this look and instead applied the more natural pair of lashes called My Lucky Day. These are actually really nice, but unfortunately, once you remove the lashes from the Care Bear, there's no way to put them back for easy storage. Now for a little refresh, I'm spraying on the Pick Me Up Hydrating Face Mist. This smells really good, like blueberries. Finally, let's take a peek inside the Handle with Care makeup bag. To finish off the look, I'm applying the Bright Fuchsia Pink Shimmer Lip Gloss in the shade Spread the Love. I'm super impressed with the collection. Everything was very well thought out. Not only are the products super cute, but they also perform really well too. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!